Hey, welcome to Man Kitchen Recipes. I'm Kevin, and tonight we're doing chicken fried steak. I'm using some ribeye steak for this chicken fried steak. I've done chicken fried chicken, chicken fried pork, chicken fried turkey. I haven't done a chicken fried steak, and I learned that's one of Elizabeth's favorites. So I get to break out the Man Kitchen mallet tonight to make this chicken fried steak. And guess what it looks like? Oh yeah, I'm making some country gravy with green chili to flavor it up, and I'm telling you, you got to try it. All right, let me show you how this is made. I'll be right back. All right, so for these chicken fried steaks, I happen to have some real thin ribeye steaks in the freezer, so we broke those out for these. And you know what I haven't used in a long time? My Man Kitchen mallet. And I like to put them in a gallon bag and just smash them. All right, look at that, nice and thin. Check that out. Okay, let me get the other one done. I'll be right back. Okay, so, I'm pretty sure that whenever you order a country fried steak out, you're not going to get ribeye. So I am going to put a little flour. This is seasoned flour. I put some of my spicy SPG on here because we're going to have country style gravy, white gravy, cream gravy, pepper gravy with some green chili in it. Yeah, I got to have my green chili. Then we're going to go in the egg wash. And then back in the flour. All right, I have just some vegetable oil on here, and my griddle is leaning towards the back a little bit. So this could be a little tricky. Let's get these on here. This will only take a couple of minutes to fry up. All right, these have been cooking a while, but I think they need another 30 seconds. All right, 30 seconds is up. Let some of the grease drain off on it. I'm going to take these inside. I'm going to make the gravy and enjoy these. All right, let's see inside. Look at that. All right, so I'm going to start the gravy with a 1/4 cup of butter, 4 tablespoons of butter. Once your butter is melted, I'm going to add a 1/4 cup of flour. Stir that up, whisk that up, try not to get any clumps. I want to let this go for a minute or two and get that floury taste out. Okay, it's been a couple of minutes. Let's start adding some milk. All right, looks like I need a little bit more. You're going to use about a cup total. Okay, and at this point I'm going to add a little bit of salt. I use salted butter, so I'm not going to put a ton of salt in here. Turn my flame down a little bit. Just another, maybe half a teaspoon. I'm going to add some black pepper in here. I like lots of black pepper, so we're going to probably half a tablespoon. Okay. And because it's Man Kitchen Recipes, you can stop right here, but I'm going to add a half a cup of chopped diced green chilies, hatch green chilies. Kick this gravy up a notch. All right, so this is ready to shut the flame off, and we'll get our plate ready. All right, so my chicken fried steak almost looks like South Africa there. All right. Get some of this country gravy with green chili. Smother it right on there. Get some mashed taters. And some corn. There you go. There's some comfort food for you. One more little tiny scoop for my potatoes. All right, there you go. Chicken fried steak with green chili cream gravy. There you go. Very simple, very quick cook. Got the cream gravy with green chilies, a perfectly cooked chicken fried steak, and I got to take a taste. That is amazing. That gravy is a must. So next time you make chicken fried steak, throw some green chili in your gravy. I think you'll enjoy it. Thanks for checking this out. And don't forget to like and subscribe. I hope you have a great day.